Okutimba za nayikondo kwatandikira omu kyaro kya Kakogo mu town council ya Buhimba kandi neza kuhereza mize byaro bishatu.
Twamara kupima tusobole kutunga mu cubics 5 cubics ago maizi maingi muno ahandi bamwe zibali bali na maizi abataka gajja kubakolya kurungi amaizi bajja kutunga gakoma
tukaija with the survey team barura obwingi bw'abantu aba kwetagisa amaizi kandi barura point enungi aba survey ali bazoira amaizi ali gakusokuba kandi eri centralized nti abantu baingi bakusone banguhirwa okwija point ali bazoira amaizi bagazora.
Za nayikondezi nizimuha project mpango ya Gavumenti ya Uganda erikukora omu ntebeekanisa erikumanywa Uganda Intergovernmental Physical Transfer Program.
Abataka banywera amaizi amarungi nibo bomezi oburungi nibo abantu abatito abakugenda mu rwaro abo endwara zirukira mu maizi kandi nibo abantu baingi abakuba bali kurungi bali bomezi nibetanira kurungi mu program za government.
Kale tumaze emyaka ntusabaga nibatugamba tugumisirize emyaka neyo wao tugumisirizaga.
Omuganda makuru abakazi omuruhoima bashaba abazire n'abashomesa okutandika kuganira n'abana abatandika kukora ha mugasho gw'obuyonjo.
Thank you so much.
Omu kiganiro ekitebeekanisibwa abatwekonyere Foundation Uganda ahari Mika Eco Resort Hotel nibagira ngu abishiki na munonga omu byaro nibaraba omu bizibu byonka.
Some people go to an extent, women and girls, to tear their clothes. But is this sustainable? When we look at sustainability, is it really sustainable? It is not. How many are you going to be tearing per month? And how many do you have? Some girls have 1 liter, some women have 1 liter. And it is only used when you're going to class, when you're going to visit a neighbor, Christmas Day. It is when someone wears a liter.
Kandi obakuba bali mu nsonga tibaba be10 tibayerinda abasajja rundi tibayenagiriza hato mu butaba be10 obwo kyamalira kihire mwendwaire
baitu kana abamama baitu nosanga bakura bambuzi bubwingi kusobora ku managing their period abo kuba tibaina ebyekwato ndike ebyokozesa bali mu biro byabo byensonga so issues eziri hanso ku mbyaro zikwetagisibwa kukolebwako bwangu mu miringo kwakukana.
Catherine Taise uri omushomesa nagira ngo abazire n'abashomesa bine kutandika kuganira ibintu by'enshonga z'abakazi.
Obumusanga kuri mu mutwe ende kumuruma omumberemu sanga abantu abamu nibenda nokusesema so interpretation yawe sakuba ngo umuntu ona inenda bayikande takozereki etali niyo.
So we need to handle the hygiene well. All these complications come because of poor hygiene, of which most of our girls they are not aware. We need to empower them as parents. Most parents are not open to their children, by the way.
Ronald Mwesije nagira ngo n'abana babojo bine kuvumanya nuko barekeraho kureba kuba bicabazo mu nshonga.
Abo kuba abana bojo bano bajya kufoka ba husbands bajya kufoka ba nineka kandi ebintu binu ebyensonga bakazi bajja kubigendamo twina kumanya tukuba tutinga twina kumanya babana mu ngeri ki ebera byamu.
Amakoraga gashakwa Ambrose Noagaba Katoto.